Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My last video was about how you can install JioTV on your Fire TV stick and watch live TV for free. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch that video here. While some of you got JioTV to work, some of you encountered problems. In this video, we will discuss common problems and how to solve them. Before we start, I want you to help me in achieving 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so that I can achieve my goal. With that, let us begin. The first problem that some users face is that they are not able to download JioTV app from my link. If you encounter this problem, try to open the link on your phone using mobile data and see if the download works. If it does, it might be that your internet provider might be blocking the download. If it does not work on your phone as well, the link to the application may be down. However, it won't be the case for long and you will be able to download the application after some time. Problem number 2 is app not installed. While I have not tested the JioTV application for all versions of Fire TV sticks, I do not see any reason for the JioTV app to not get installed. If you encounter this error, the APK might have got corrupt during downloading or you might have not enabled installation from unknown sources. Try and download the APK again and ensure that you have enabled installation from unknown sources in the developer options of your Fire TV stick. Problem number 3 is people finding it difficult to log into the JioTV app. When you first open the JioTV app, rather than logging in by user ID, choose the OTP option. OTP option can be selected easily by pressing the right direction button on your remote. To enter your mobile number, turn on the mouse toggle by pressing the play button on your remote twice. Select the mobile number field, enter the mobile number and press next and then press on submit. Select the OTP field to enter the OTP and then press the forward button on your remote to scroll down. Press the verify button and you will be logged into JioTV. Some of you might not be residing in India but still want to watch JioTV. If you do, you will need a friend or a relative in India who is willing to help you out by sharing OTP with you. Even if after login, if JioTV does not work for you, then you might need to use a VPN and connect to an Indian server so that JioTV thinks you are from India. And no, there are no free good VPN services. You will need to buy a VPN subscription to have a reliable connection to India. Now for the final problem. No sound when playing channels in the JioTV app. I have checked and there are no sound settings in the JioTV app. This probably happens because of the sound settings of your Fire TV stick or your TV. You will have to try each sound setting one by one to find out which setting works for JioTV. To change sound settings, go to Settings, Display and Audio, Audio, and then test all the options one by one. Now I think I have covered all the JioTV problems. Now let us move on to the mouse toggle problems. The biggest problem that people encounter is that the cursor does not appear when they press the play button on their remote. If this is happening to you, open the mouse toggle app and check the status in the bottom left corner of the screen. If it is starting or stopped, then the cursor won't be visible on pressing the play button twice. At this point, disable and re-enable the mouse service and check if the status changes to started. If the status is still stuck at starting, go to ADB settings and disable and re-enable ADB debugging. If it is still stuck at starting, you probably installed the wrong version for your Fire TV stick. You can find which version of Fire TV stick you have by looking at the bottom right corner of the mouse toggle app. Uninstall whatever version you have installed and install the correct version for your Fire TV stick and the mouse toggle should start working. Now I'll be giving links to all the apps in the description box below. The last problem that people face is the problem to scroll through channels easily. For easy navigation in JioTV, I have already made a video and you can watch it here. So that is it for this video. I hope I was able to solve most of the problems regarding JioTV and mouse toggle. If you still have any problems that I have not discussed here, you can leave them in the comments. I hope you found this video useful. Please leave a like if you did, and please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. My name is Vaibhav and I will see you guys in my next video.